Tesla Cybertruck will join Dubai's eclectic police fleet. I don't know if you knew this, Will, but in Dubai, the police car fleet is as cool as the car collections that individuals have in Dubai. It's not just...
Yeah, they got Lambos for cop cars.
Yeah, it's not... You know what I mean? It's not... Nothing boring happening there. And it can't... The justification is... The justification from the police department, hey, man, if the population is out here in Bugattis, we need a Bugatti. We got to have our own Bugatti. How do we catch these guys if we don't have the Bugatti as well? Also, I don't know about you, but seeing cool cars in police form, that's some sci-fi stuff.
It's a nice flex.
It's just cool.
Yeah.
And so there's the Bugatti in police car form. Their police colors kind of mess me up, though, with the green. I just can't see green as police status. I need to see blue, just because, obviously, that's more typical for me. But I guess over there, that green probably has some power. People know what's up if they see that in the... Imagine, Will, you're out there on the streets, regular dude, guy like you, just having a day. It's an afternoon. You're going for the sandwich from earlier, and this guy is in the rear view, in the Bugatti, with the police. He lights up the lights. What you doing? What you trying to do? You trying to get away? Yeah, I didn't think so.
No.
Well, let me tell you something. As cool as the Lambo, Bugatti, and the other rare vehicles are in the fleet, I think the Cybertruck is absolutely perfect because intimidation factor is ridiculous. Plus, the thing is made out of complete steel, as Engadget notes. Here's the subtext on the headline: an electric wedge of death might just intimidate speeders. And I couldn't agree more with John Fingus, who wrote this article. This thing coming up behind you is even worse. It's 0 to 60 on a tri-motor model. Say that 10 times fast.
Not gonna try.
2.9 seconds, 0 to 60. Even if you're in that Bugatti or whatever, this is a big, giant steel beast moving at that pace, almost 6,000 pounds, likely. What you trying to do?
It's pretty scary because it's silent, too. Well, it's quiet.
Interesting.
It's just like sneaking up on
I like that angle.
Like a predator.
It's sneaking up on you as well. Although what's weird, in their image and their mock-up of it as a Dubai police vehicle, no lights on the top. And I know the whole top, there's a lot of glass on the top. So it's a curious thought where they're going to put the actual police lights on the top of the vehicle. I'm sure they'll find a place. Now, interestingly, the law enforcement agency there said that they're going to get this vehicle in 2020. But does that mean they're going to get it before anyone else? Because, of course, production doesn't start until 2021, late. So did they get a special deal? Shake some hands. Elon, they fly over San Francisco, Bay Area, Los Angeles, wherever he happens to be. Yeah. Shake a couple hands, get one of the earliest.
Build a gigafactory there.
Shake hands because never mind the gigafactory. You got a lot of sun in Dubai. But the solar angle.
Yeah.
But the solar angle.
Yeah.
Or forget about all that. What about just the advertisement? It's cool. You got this thing floating around Dubai. You make a name for Tesla. You get the word out. It's kind of cool anyway. So this might be the most practical, flashy police vehicle. You might see a lot of these things in the police force. Remember we were talking yesterday about how there's so many Ford Explorers in the police force? Imagine it's these instead. Now, granted, imagine it's a lot of imagining to do here, but you got to have the charge stations if you convert. You can't convert all the police cars, but maybe we'll see a couple around here in the local police force. These things creeping up on you. You're dead. You're doomed, Will. What does he call it? The wedge of death is coming for you in the form of the Cybertruck.
Why am I dead?
Well, because you're speeding too much. Remember, you got you got the speeding ticket the other day.
Running me over?
Yeah, you got the speeding ticket the other day, and the wedge of death doesn't put up with. They don't pull you over and give you a ticket. They just run over top of you. They clock you on the radar. Okay, you're just mind your business. Afternoon, going for the sandwich, and they clock you, and then they just spin around, and then they just come head on. That's how Cybertruck deals with problems, like a horror movie. What was that horror movie where the truck was the villain? Does anybody remember this? It's an insane movie.
Is it an 18-wheeler or is just
no? I don't think it's an 18-wheeler, but it's a big truck, and it's the monster in the movie. It will get you on the highway. Is it called? That's not Jeepers Creepers, is it?
No, that's with the monster. Like
Wait,
a
I might
straight
have got it wrong. No, no. It's not Monster Trucks. How dare you? That's like a kid's movie.
Well,
I think it's called Jeepers. Vin says yes to Jeep. Maybe I got it wrong. A bus? A school bus? That might have been it. That might be what I'm thinking of.
that's
Okay, do truck horror movie. Truck horror movie. Go check it. Maximum Overdrive?
Roadkill.
Maximum Overdrive.
Is it this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a.
Yeah, it's crazy. The clips have been memed, right? Have these clips been memed with a truck? Oh my God. No, that's not what I'm thinking. Stephen King, Maximum Overdrive. Did they do more than one version or? Wait, give me Jeepers Creepers. I think I was thinking of Jeepers Creepers. But that one looks insane too, Maximum Overdrive. Yeah, this is what I was thinking. It's not a school bus. It's an old-fashioned truck. But he's in a truck though. At least for the first
at the beginning.
The first half of the movie.
This one.
The first half of the movie, he's chasing you around in that. What's that?
That's not a school bus, is it?
No, it's like a truck from the 50s or something. It's a delivery truck.
It's like a milk truck or something.
It's like a delivery truck from the 40s. That it's all rusty. Yeah, it says Jeepers Creepers in the front. This is the one I was thinking, but it turns out there's been lots of this situation going on where the truck is the villain. Well, the Cybertruck is the futuristic villain, Will, and if you speed, it doesn't have time to be writing tickets. So it hits you head on, and the steel, which you saw reinforced with the sledgehammer, it just crumples you and it just moves on with its day, and nobody can stop the Cybertruck, okay? You understand? That's how it works. It's starting in Dubai. It's coming here next. It's in your future. Stop speeding, Will. You're in trouble. That's it.